Niger Delta don on television for northerners. E don read. They say that oil in Niger Delta belong to Niger Delta if Nigeria refuse to do the right thing, because the gold in the north belong to the north. The gold wey dey for north, e no dey contribute anything put for Nigeria economy. Then they thief am, dey sell am for backyard. But the ones in southeast belongs to the north. The oil in southeast belong to the north. Imo State have oil, Anambra have gas, so Enugu have, and Enugu, Anambra, Imo, and Abia, all of them have oil. But all these things, they go for federal government. But the ones where they for north belongs to the north. That one no be cheating. I say this woman don't come outside. Come talk say that if they refuse to do things in the right way, that means this one Nigeria way that they preach is not one Nigeria. But however, madam, we have something to clear there. There is nothing like one Nigeria. It's very clear. Okay, my people, as this one they happen, they said that the plan of Islamization, would they talk am here steady? On a thing say na play, would they hear they play? Or you can't hear wetin this man they talk, that anybody will go carry cocoa again for Nigeria, no be cocoa, you understand wetin they talk. Now be fear, that thing where they put for head though, where they make person sanko. He say anybody will go carry am again. He say that person na buy, they go buy am. That one no be Sharia law. Na Sharia law na. So if Sharia law now is coming to federal, that means the Islamization is very real. My people, things are happening for inside Nigeria. As we dey talk that one, let's go inside Abazonia, go find out wetin dey happen for inside Abazonia. You know, say don't tell who talk things concerning Abazonia, that most of our Abazonia fans don't provoke, say we no dey talk about them again. So today we dey inside Abazonia as Abazonians release a video where they don chase out the Cameroonian occupiers for their land, comot one of their camp inside Abazonia. Say they don chase and come out, and they don take over the camp where the Cameroonian armies be camped inside before. Okay, my people, we are going to show you the videos. However, welcome back to this wonderful channel. Welcome back. You still there for Balabas G's. Please share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it hot. We still there here, they bring you updates back to back. Okay, my wonderful people, we are going to jump inside and play you this video. May you hear how this woman tell the northern leader say may they come out Akongwe no fair before bro akamad. Me say may they remove that monkey handle before it go turn to person hand, because this cheating whether they dey for inside this Nigeria, it done too much. So if they refuse to do the right thing what they supposed to, may they leave Niger Delta alone. May Niger Delta did their own. So I'm going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back, I'll continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. My fathers, I greet you all. My brothers and sisters. First of all, I want to follow the path of Joy, I think, where she introduced herself. I want to say that I am of mixed parentage. My mother is British. My father is an Ijaw man from the Niger Delta, which is in Nigeria, in that order. Therefore, I align myself with my father. I am honored enough to be able to say that I remember pre-independence. I also remember the Biafran War, and I also very much remember the Niger Delta agitation, and we're now in the Boko Haram agitation. I want to stand on the first national anthem, which is really where my heart is. And there is one particular line that I hold on to, and it says, though tongues and tribes may differ, in brotherhood we stand. That is the Nigeria that I know. That is the Nigeria that I continue to belong to. That is the Nigeria that I respect. That is the Nigeria that I hope will stay together. But I am also not going to misinform anyone. I will not and do not intend to sacrifice who I am, which is an Ijaw person, and my region, which is Niger Delta, for the sake of Nigeria. Because nobody else is prepared to sacrifice their region for my people. We all together must form and rebuild a Nigeria that is equal, irrespective of number of where you come from. I do not want to deceive myself, and I will not be deceived, to think that because I am a Nigerian, that therefore I will deny my ethnicity. We are different people that make up this country, and we should be proud of that difference, and we should enhance that difference, and not use that difference to manipulate others. Alabo here has said what happened during the Niger Delta crisis. I want to be on record to say, and I have said it before, that what Nigeria is calling today peace in the Niger Delta is a peace that belongs to fool. I am not part of that. Because if nothing changes, we will go back and find ourselves in the same position where the output of oil was reduced to 700,000 barrels. The late Yaradua did not resolve or attempt to resolve the Niger Delta crisis because of his love for Niger Delta people. He resolved it because Nigeria needs the oil that is coming from the Niger Delta. We must put together a Nigeria that brings together all the resources that belongs to all Nigerians from all the 36 states. I am highly offended, my elders, when I hear people say our oil. How is the devastation not our devastation? How is the pollution of our land not our pollution? How is the killing of my people not our killing? And we're told that it is one Nigeria. We want it to be one Nigeria. I want it to be one Nigeria. My father, as I said, is a Nigerian. But I will not sacrifice my people for the sake of Nigeria. There is resources in every single state that is in this country. And therefore, it is about time that we sit down and bring everything to the table. I am highly offended by the comment of Sanusi that people are killing their fellow human beings because of derivation. If we're sharing derivation, what is it that he, Sanusi, what is in his state? What is he bringing to Nigeria? 9 states, including Lagos, because it is the commercial heart of Nigeria, is contributing to the wealth and distribution of wealth of this Nigeria. I therefore say again that 27 states in this country and their governors are lazy. They should look for what to do, how to develop their state, how to invest in their state. Let everybody bring what they have. Let all of us share it. I thank you.
Yes, thank you.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, do you know the kind of resources that Ebonyi State alone have? Let me tell you, the resources in Southeast, some are not yet to be discovered. I'm telling you the truth. Some are already discovered. And some have discovered, but people are eating it secretly. But you see, in the North, they never touch one. So you people should not be deceived by anything. The North never touch anyone. How can you take something from people, pollute their land, and then the people who are claiming the oil, then you cannot pressure those companies to clean up the place, the water, the things they have polluted in that particular region, that particular land. So when you see it, Nigeria, you see these voodoos wanna take away everybody. The day when you go clear for everybody eyes, Nigeria go hurt. You know what's be hot, it go hot. So most of you police, army, DSS, whether they use to go to oppress people where they talk truth, on our family no go see better for this life. I swear to God, you see those police, those army, whether they use, they go to oppress people. Your family will never see anything good. You will serve that country finish, and you go back on shame. Your family will suffer. Keep oppressing people. Let them be giving you chicken change. You keep oppressing people. Why other nations are there, making sure that things go well for them? Any politician who come outside to be corrupt, they will bring that politician to book. And you people are busy bringing oppressing people that will speak the truth. Like the way you hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the table, because he saw what is coming, he saw the lights, he saw everything, and you are spending money instead of call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to table and negotiate, dialogue, word of peace. If people said no, then anybody blogger will come outside to talk tomorrow. You people will be looking for that person. It's only God will punish your family. I know they talk you because you're already on course. When God punish your family, you go there, you find out that your family has been punished. You self, God will punish you too. Those people, they use oppressed people for this country. Now, when I get this course, and it must happen for my life. Let me play you this video. May you hear. Waiting this Mutula, Mungolo. Mutula, they talk for math. Malu, in here waiting, they talk for math. Here waiting, they see as old as this man, waiting there for his head na nonsense and how to buy and follow human being. Waiting make those people go they carry those things where they carry. No be the frustration we wanna put for their head. Any work there for the youth. I am not encouraging it, but any work there for the youth where they say if you go carry drug, may they buy you. Now waiting this man they talk for. Let me play the video first.
Why you want Nigeria to kill those who are being caught for drugs? You think that death penalty will actually be a good deterrent?
Yes, it's the best deterrent. If you don't go and do drugs, nobody will kill you. If you go and do drugs, you are killing people. In fact, you have killed, mostly, that means you have destroyed the life of many people, killed so many people. So if they kill you, you are only one. And you are saving these people that would have died because of what you are doing.
There are those who will say there is a kind of offense that is common to the political elite, which is corruption.
Yeah.
Why are we not using the death penalty?
Let me tell you, before you come to us politicians, I know that is the direction you are going. We politicians, even if you call us anything, if you compare us to all the corruption, our own is a very small one. Where our corruption is people-driven. You steal all the money, you go and share it with the people. If you don't, you are not coming back after 4 years.
So that's the reason why most of you steal the money?
No. Some will go and keep it. There's no reason for stealing. I've been in the National Assembly. I can't say, people will not look at you on the TV now and say, I'm a clean person. No. I have to say the truth. If death penalty is supposed to be included in corruption, I will support it. But you don't go, somebody that stole 1 million, you go and kill him. And then somebody that stole 1 billion, you go and kill him. No, but I'm in support of saying you have progressive. If you steal 1 billion, maybe you go to life imprisonment or imprisonment for 20 years. I support that. But if you go and steal, like some people are hearing 1 trillion and the government's money, that means you have deprived so many people. No, that person should be killed.
So we should start thinking about that.
That too. But let's start with the drugs because it's the most important one.
You hear your own reason. Do you hear what that man they talk? He did not come to the House of Assembly to tell them, please, let's create more job opportunity for our youth. Let's make sure we build more companies that owned by government. We can rent it out so that our youth will be employed. He did not come to bring out this point to House of Assembly. But what is interested is let them implement it. This is a totally Sharia law. Even the countries who are eating this thing, when you come to the Europe, the America, they don't have death sentence in this particular issue. So why in Nigeria, if it is not pursuing Sharia law that they always wanted? If you watch this video, you must share the video. You must share the video. The time to tell these people where they are going. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said it all, but we have to still remember them that we know where they are going. So you must share the video. So guys, let me show you what is happening in Amazonia. The update they just updated us this morning. I'm going to show you now for you to see.
2024. This is FM Lucifer and his squad. Major General Solo, General Amber Prince, General Black is here, even Toronto, the Army Go is here. Now the army barrack this for Bomana. The army barrack for Bomana village where the army they did it. And also we don't just come, don't take your 3 pickup run. We come today now for them. Yes, me wa Ambazonian people see and they are playing with the done, and their blockages. And their barrack and their blockages where they done. We don't come, they do 3 pickup, they don't take their motor, they run. We don't come to make an attack the place. They just take their 3 pickup run. So we bonded their barrack today. Now yeah, a military barrack this where they can't be for Bumana village. You see their military control where they should know their post. Then you see the house where they used to slay and the houses. So if you see them, the Amazonian people, Amazonian soldiers, then we don't come for attack the here, but they run today. I don't take 3 motor run. They get lucky, we get meet them. And the other security guard post that where they should run for the other back. Some are wrong go there. Now I come on and see them. Yes, Ambazonian on a boys a day for fight or not there for jokes. One born everywhere. Why they run? Why they run? If they not be strong, they not for run. They will still stand. We'll meet them. Yes. All the general, all the colonels of Parafin Marshal, the mission commander, and the other poses. These other poses face the backside. You know, say at least Amber boys, if they come over backside for the see how they done. So the guide and the other poses, their military posts will burn everything down. Everything down will burn and then Bumanda village. Inside Meme County. And for Meme County where this Bumana village day. So don't show everywhere. And the place where they sleep. See where they cook. They see where the military they cook. And you have small place where the military they cook. They don't come today, they don't run. I don't know why they run. They run with their 3 pickup. They don't run all. And this, now your house is one burn and down. As now so small time will set fire, burn the house down.
Broke and all.
Everything is broke. Everything, they'll destroy everything. They take it to their military barrack, you don't want time again. Yes. They burn everything down. Everything will be down.
Okay, my wonderful people, now here we'll end up for today. Program will say more bring conscious and I beg may you try to share the video and may other people they see what thing they go on with they here they bring up there to back and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bell as see the hot. My wonderful people, don't forget to follow us in all our social media handles. We're there for TikTok, we're there for Facebook, we're there for Instagram. We're there for you. I may you share and make sure say they follow us. To check on our previous updates, we will do update on us so that you go to follow up of what they go on. Thank you.